Hey, hi folks. I am Vijay Kumar AK with 2+ years of learning experience and 1+ year of working experience in Salesforce or in Salesforce partner company. So I am very excited to launch a Salesforce internship program, which carries or which holds sub courses like Salesforce admin internship, Salesforce development internship, and Salesforce full course internship. In full course, we segregate the admin and development topics. So in full course, you will have an end-to-end understanding of what is Salesforce and how to start a development in Salesforce without any prior experience or without any prior knowledge in Salesforce. So we also provide 3 additional bonus skills which you don't need to pay for, which is prompt engineering, where nowadays each and everything, like even code, is built by AI tools such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and all. So for that, according to the business requirement, you will need to put in the prompt. So how to write a prompt, how to give a prompt in AI tools also will be taught by us for free. And also we help you manage Salesforce specific Google extensions, and also we provide you how to use AI tools such as ChatGPT and such as many more AI tools which helps you along the journey in development. Before starting with those what I told in the first half, people need to know what is Salesforce. Some people who know, that is well and good, but people who don't know what is Salesforce is not the sales company, or not based out of sales, or not regarding sales. Salesforce is an IT company where how we use Java full stack and Python full stack. In the same way, we have a full stack Salesforce thing, which is where we use Apex as a backend and HTML, JavaScript, and CSS as a front end. And for querying language, we use SOQL and SOSL. So how we have a Java full stack, in the same way we have a Salesforce. But what additional thing we have in Salesforce is a software where things are already built. We have to just learn how the software works, and we have to just customize it according to the business requirements. So that is Salesforce. And I just clearly tell Salesforce is not a sales company. Salesforce is an IT company. So like basically, if you opt our course, we also tell what is Salesforce, how Salesforce software is, and each and everything. As basically Salesforce is a CRM. Salesforce is customer relationship management and not a sales company. I repeatedly tell that because people just start thinking that Salesforce is a name specific where it is based out of sales, or it is regarding sales. Even in Salesforce, if you want to get data, or if you want to send data to any third party systems, like even how we send data or get data in SAP through integrations, even in Salesforce also we have integrations using REST APIs and SOAP APIs. So end to end, I just want to conclude telling that how Java full stack and Python full stack is, even Salesforce is the same way, with an extra and with a powerful tool, which you will come to know in if you opt our course as well. We also have our Salesforce YouTube handler. We also have our Instagram handler. We also have our LinkedIn handler with the same name called as Salesforce Treasures. So if you have any doubts regarding that, you can just contact to my LinkedIn, or contact to Salesforce Treasures LinkedIn page, or even Instagram page, or even YouTube, where it will all be given in the description box. And if you are interested to opt the courses, and if you want to know more information about the courses, or about the internship program, or about Salesforce, you can just register yourself in the below docs, Google Sheets, Google form link, which is given below in the description. With that, our team will consult you, or our team will call you for the further details. Thank you.